Good morning, students. Welcome to social science class. Yesterday we have read about aphelion and perihelion. Today we will discuss aphelion and perihelion in detail. Now look at the blackboard. There are two words written on the top of the blackboard. On the left side aphelion and on the right side perihelion. Aphelion is derived from two words. Aphelion. One is ap, which means away, and helios means sun. Now look at the right side of the blackboard, perihelion. One is peri, which means near, and helios means sun. So perihelion means near to the sun. These are the two situations of the earth in the year. In 1 year, there are two positions of the sun. One is aphelion and perihelion. And when does it happens, we will discuss in detail. So students, you know very well that the earth revolves around the sun in a fixed path, and that path is called an orbit. And the earth is revolving around its fixed path, which is not spherical in shape. It is elliptical in shape, or you can say it is oval in shape. Now look at the diagram. I have drawn the path in an elliptical shape. It is oval to the shape like this. See, I have drawn earth on the left side and earth on the right side. Now look at the above. I have drawn the orbit and shows the movement or revolution of the earth on its orbit. So the earth completes one revolution in 365 days, 1 over 365, 1 over 4 days. Okay. Now there is one situation when the earth comes near to the sun. Now look at the left side of the earth. This is earth and the sun. Now look at the distance between the two, left side and right side. The distance between earth and the sun on the left side is minimum, and on the right side the distance between the sun and the earth is maximum. This is short distance and this is long distance. So when the earth comes near to the sun, this situation happens. When this situation happens, that situation is called perihelion, means near to the sun. Now look at the right side of the earth. The earth is farther from the sun. The earth is at its maximum distance from the sun. It means the earth is away from the sun. When the earth is away from the sun, this situation is called aphelion. This situation is called aphelion. And aphelion and perihelion. When this situation happens on different days. On different days, okay. And you know very well the earth, while moving around the sun, its orbits comes near to the sun. At this point, the distance between the earth and the sun is minimum, and the distance will be 146 million kilometer. 146 million kilometer. It means when the earth is at the minimum distance of 146 million kilometer, that point is called the perihelion. Okay. And the other is while revolution, when the earth reaches to a point in its orbit, when the distance between the earth and the sun is maximum about 151 kilometer, 151 million kilometer, that is mean it is away from the sun, and this situation is called aphelion. And this situation happens on July 4. Aphelion happens on July 4, on or around July 4. It means it may happen on July 4, or maybe 1 day before, or few hours before, or few hours after July 4. It means it will happen around July 4 and Jan 4. Perihelion will happen on Jan 4 every year, and aphelion will happen on July 4 every year. During every complete revolution, the distance between the earth and the sun varies by only 3%. And what does it mean 3%? Suppose during this year revolution, the earth is at the minimum distance of 146 million kilometer. And on the next year, when the earth reaches the same point, during revolution, the distance between the earth and the sun would be 147 million kilometer or 148.5 million kilometer. So the variation will be only about 3%. It may increase by 1%, 2%, but it would not be increase more than 3%. So the scientists have said that the variation will be only 3%. So then maybe next year the earth will take 153 million kilometer or 150 million kilometer, 152 million kilometer, but it will increase by only 3% kilometer according to the completion of one evolution. Okay, so I hope you have understood about aphelion and perihelion. Again, I am explaining aphelion means away from sun and perihelion means near to the sun. Aphelion when the earth is at the minimum distance, and when aphelion means when perihelion when it is close to the sun and when it is away from the sun, this situation is called aphelion. Perihelion happens on Jan 4 every year, and aphelion happens on July 4 every year, on or around July 4 every year. So I hope you understood this topic, and you will draw this diagram on your notebook. Okay, in your notebook. So that's all for today. Have a good day.